how to withdraw money from CoinMarketCap, whether you've earned some profits from trading or you're simply looking to cash out. I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, log into your CoinMarketCap account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once logged in, ensure that you have completed any necessary security verifications like two-factor authentications to secure your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet or account dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds, including withdrawals. Find the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. CoinMarketCap supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so make sure you select the one. Now look for the withdraw or similar option next to your chosen cryptocurrency. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. Now you'll need to enter the withdrawal details, like this is the wallet address where you want to send your fund, that is receipt address. And on amount, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Then carefully review all the details you've entered, including the recipient address and the amount. Once you're sure everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. CoinMarketCap may send you a verification email to confirm the withdrawal request. Check your email inbox and click on the verification link to proceed. After confirming the withdrawal request, you'll need to wait for CoinMarketCap to process your request. The time it takes can depend varying on network congestions and other factors. Once the withdrawal is processed and confirmed, check your destination wallet. The cryptocurrency should appear in your wallet shortly after processing incomplete. Now, that's all there is to it on how to withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.